quick video here for you guys that are looking for charge stands. Some people probably already bought these and know what I'm talking about, but this one here, you'll see it on eBay, has the blue lights. You just plug it in there and it charges. Well, that's not the case for this one. This one here only charges on the bottom port. Does not charge on the top. I don't know if it's broken or what's going on, but I just wanted to see if anybody else out there is having the same problem. So leave a comment down below. Let me know. It's nice stand. It lights up LED blue. And I do have this plugged into the wall, so it's constantly charging. Don't worry about your controllers overcharging. They shut off when they're fully charged. Here's the back. As you can see, I've got my Black Ops controller on top. And just my regular controller came with the machine. So yeah, doesn't charge on the top, it charges on the bottom. So let me kind of demonstrate this maybe if I can. Okay, one hand here with the camera, so maybe it'll start charging yellow, so I plug it in the bottom. I don't know. See, it went yellow there for a quick second, so it must be charged fully. Plug this one in the top. As you see, when you plug this one in, does nothing. So heads up if you guys are purchasing on Amazon or eBay and you're getting this type of charger. They're very finicky. They won't work. Probably won't last too long. I paid I think it was $7 for this, so I'm not gonna freak out, but maybe it can help you guys save your money. There you go. So thanks for watching, you guys. Just thought I'd give you guys a heads up on these chargers. Don't buy them. Later.